छोटे छोटे बाल बच्चे लेके काम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, क्या खाएंगे?
We're in Maharashtra, India's richest state by the GDP, the nerve center of industrial growth, and the country's thermal powerhouse.
फसल पहले जैसे आने के लिए कम से कम 3 से 4 साल तो लग जाएंगे।
In fact, the state is home to some of India's biggest coal-based power plants, which work round the clock to meet our energy needs.
ये देखो, ये बैंगन है, ये बैंगन है, ये बैंगन है, देखो पूरे कैसे हो गए।
इसमें कौन सी फसल होने वाली है?
जाएंगे नहीं तो काम कैसे करेंगे? घर में बैठे रहेंगे तो।
Set in the drought-prone fields of Nagpur, this is a story of people, their rights, their struggles, and a 4-decade-long fight against 2 coal-based power plants.
ये जो है तो ये आपका अतिक्रमण है, ये अतिक्रमण आप हटाओ, हमारी जगह हमको छोड़ दो।
हो लाकडीचं पाणी येते, ते पाणी लागल्यावर हात खाजवते.
A farm laborer, Shakuntala Devi earns rupees 175 a day. In the month of July, she couldn't go to work for 14 days. As a result, she lost rupees 2,450 from a monthly income. Something that her family of 5 cannot afford.
वैसा तो बुखार आता है पानी की वजह से। हाँ,
पानी की वजह से.
हाँ, पानी से वजह से।
Whenever she's sick, Shakuntala pops a pill prescribed by a local chemist. But she believes that the root cause of her recurring illness is adulterated drinking water. Her claims are not without reason. Water laced with toxins discharged from a thermal power plant drips from a drainage pipe in a field just 500 meters away from where Shakuntala works. Several such pipes exist in this region. While they are primarily meant to transfer the discharge to a treatment plant, leakages like this result in toxins polluting the underground water supply. In the year 2021, water samples collected from Waregaon in nearly all seasons failed to pass the standards set for drinking water by the Bureau of Indian Standards. रक्कड़ वाला पानी है या इसमें केमिकल वाला पानी है, उसकी वजह से ही खराब हुआ है, तो आपको कैसे पता कि उसी की वजह से और कोई परेशानी नहीं?
ये देखो, ये लक्कड़ है, ये देखो लक्कड़ है, ये देखो, ये बैंगन है, ये बैंगन है, ये बैंगन है, देखो पूरे कैसे हो गए। ये देखो बैंगन, ये बैंगन की झाड़ है ये। हाँ, ये देखो भिंडी खराब हो गई है, उधर तुवल भी मर गई है।
Ash-laden discharge from the nearby thermal power plant flooded his farm in July, leaving him and his family of 6 with damaged crops, no income, and an annual rent of close to rupees 1 lakh due in September. To understand this, we'll have to go back in time. The year is 1974. On the outskirts of Nagpur, near the Pench and the Kanhan River, the Maharashtra State Power Generation Company or Mahagenco set up the Koradi thermal power plant. Few years later, in 1989, another plant was set up in the vicinity called the Khaparkheda thermal power plant. Over the years, both the plants expanded and multiple units came up. But with the power plants came up the ash ponds. Think of them as large open ponds spread in acres and acres of land and full of toxic ash discharged from the power plant. The ash was then supposed to be utilized for commercial purposes like building of roads, bricks, and in construction material. Needless to say, the last bit didn't go as planned and the power plants kept dumping more and more ash into the ponds. Cut to July 2022, an ash pond near the Koradi thermal power plant collapsed and submerged at least 5 villages, damaging farms, homes and polluting nearby water bodies.
ये जो दीवार है, दीवार के ऊपर से उधर से पानी मारा, कुछ पानी इधर मारा, तो ये खेत में से इधर गया पानी। ये लकड़ पे कौन सी अभी फसल होने वाली है अपने को, इसमें कौन सी फसल होने वाली है? तो अभी समझो का फसल होने का तो ना चांस है इस साल और तो समझो कि 2-4 साल तो फसल तो होना नहीं है। बीज का बीज डालोगे तो तुमको आपको बीज ही मिलेंगे, उनको मुझे गुंजाइश तो कौन चीज़ नहीं होने वाली।
Damodar Kumble and his family of 6 grow crops like cotton and vegetables like turai and bengan in his 8 acres of land.
नहीं तो अभी फसल चालू हो जाती है। ये देखो उनका ये फूल, ये फूल है इसका आती, फिर इसको अभी आएंगे तुरई, तो ये ले नहीं बढ़ाते, ये सिर्फ एक फूल आप लोग छोटा सा लगेगा बस हो गया, नहीं तो वो भी गलेंगा।
He owes rupees 40,000 to his landlord and rupees 8,000 in electricity dues. Add to this, he estimates that an investment of rupees 2 to 3 lakh is required to buy soil, fertilizers and manure which will help make his land usable after a few years. Interestingly, research shows that the very fly ash which has become a cause of concern for people like Damodar Kumble, Dashrath Thackeray and Shakuntala Devi, if introduced in a controlled quantity, can help increase the fertility of the soil. But it's not that simple.
Fly ash is only of use if it is put into soil in a recommended dose. If the fly ash is in the air, it is absolutely of no use to the agriculture. If you look at the areas around thermal power station, you will find that the pollination will not happen because this minute particle of the fly ash would go into the flowers and then it will affect the whole pollination of the plants. अगर उनके leaves पे अगर fly ash जाता है तो photosynthesis hamper हो जाता है.
In the year 1989, Ambadas Patil worked at the construction site of the Khaparkheda thermal power plant.
कोराडी और खापरखेड़ा दोनों को लेटर दिए हैं, लेकिन अभी तक के उन्होंने मेरे को कुछ भी लेटर नहीं दिए, ना सुनवाई की। ये मेरी साइन है, अंबादास श्रावण पाटिल।
After quitting his job, Patil spent 32 years of his life writing letters to officials and spreading awareness about how the Khaparkheda and the Koradi power plants have become a menace for the people of his village.
मुख्यमंत्री, पालक मंत्री, ऊर्जा मंत्री, ये तुम्हारे आमदार, विभागीय आयुक्त, जिलाधिकारी, तहसीलदार, एसडीओ और ग्राम पंचायत को भी।
Over the years, multiple official agencies such as the Maharashtra Pollution Control Board and the Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change have pulled up authorities at the 2 power plants for flouting pollution control norms. But Patil says there's been little change on the ground.
ये बाहर जो गिरती है रखड़, वो हवा से उड़कर बस्ती में आती है। जब मौसम चालू होता है बारिश का और उस टाइम में हवा जो चलती है, ये सूखी लकड़ रहती है, तो वो पूरी बस्ती में आती है हवा से। तब ये घर कहाँ है ये भी नहीं दिख पाता।
Mahagenco needs to really, they have to act now. It cannot be that, now because the villagers have also become very aware. So I think the short term would be that, regular checks. Regular checks to mitigate the pollution at the ground level and compliance. And in the long term, of course, Mahagenco has to think about permanent solutions. They cannot be saying that, nahi abhi barish zyada hua hai, so we have to put the water in the river. That's not an excuse.
कोई आपका इनकम का साधन है?
कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं, बस यही खेती के भरोसे है अपन।
तो अब क्या सोचा है, क्या करेंगे?
अब क्या करना है देखो, आप देखो क्या करना है, क्या नहीं, क्या देना है, क्या नहीं देना है।